guys, hello everyone! During our today's class, I'll show you how to use Procreate. So it's more like beginner-friendly class, and we're gonna paint two lovely chubby cats in watercolor style in Procreate. And once again, I will try my best to explain all the steps that I'm following when I create art. And my name is Inga, I'm an artist, freelance illustrator, and I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical things, and cute stuff. And during my class, we're gonna paint watercolor and cute stuff. And this class is a little bit special because I'm gonna share with you part of my paid brush set that is called Loose Watercolor Brush Set that will help you to create beautiful art. So let's not wait, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and we can move to painting process. Once again, during my today's class, I prepared for you lots of freebies. And guys, your opinion is very important to me because thanks to you, I shape my topics. I think what I want to draw for you. So if you want to share something with me, some thoughts, please do it in discussion section. And also you might share your projects in projects and resources section. I will be happy to give my own feedback. During my today's class, I'm gonna share with you my whole journey. We will start with exporting all our freebies, then I'll show you how to add colors, how to add shades and highlights to our main characters, and in the end we're gonna paint lovely final details, and we will have lovely art with two cute cats. I will show you step-by-step process creating cute animal illustration in watercolor style, and the process of adding colors, shades and highlights. I will show you how to create watercolor paper texture. Also, we will explore what is clipping mask, how to remove transparency and why we should do it, how to use layers and blending modes, also how to use curves and hue saturation and brightness tools. And in the end, we will create lovely illustration with cute cats. I'm gonna focus on painting lovely cats in the center as our final project. And your project will be same, to create the illustration with any animal you like and what will cause lots of warm emotions. And as a bonus, I will share with you my textured paper, new custom brush set, color palette that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for beginner level and intermediate level, for anyone who is interested in painting cute animals and who likes digital watercolor. I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn how to paint in watercolor style on iPad, and also to get general knowledge about digital watercolor, how to wisely use space, how to choose colors properly, and how to create lovely art. I can't wait to start this class, and I definitely can't wait to see what you upload project section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy painting process together.